We are at 175 Lyndhurst in San Carlos. It's 4/12/2012, and first I put the camera in a clean out on the back of the house, beyond the garage. There's a 3-inch clean out that comes out the sidewall on the lower level of the house, just to make sure I could actually push the camera all the way out, and we could actually went through pretty easy. And so now I'm all the way out to the end. I'm going to start the recording, and I'm going to go from where we are right now, which is the connection on the main. It is a PVC main out in the street, and this is the connection to it. And I'll push in and out so you can take a little look at that. This is the connection onto the main line. There's the main. We just dipped into it. It's a larger pipe, and now we're pulling back into the lateral that goes to the house. There obviously have been some repairs out into the street because this is a newer style PVC SDR pipe. Right there, just a couple of feet back from the main in the roadway. This is out on the roadway, the side street, Lyndhurst. It goes from the plastic pipe to now we're into the clay pipe, and you can see that connection right there has got some roots growing into it. We're about 5 feet back from that last connection I showed you with some roots in it. Another clay pipe joint with some roots growing in it. Clay pipe comes in about 5-foot lengths, and this looks like it's a connection from one piece of pipe to the next. And there are some roots growing in it, very common for clay pipe. Maybe coming back into cast iron pipe here, it looks just a little bit different texture-wise. And there's another joint there, and that was probably clay. This forward-facing piece was probably clay, and this is, I think, where we changed back to cast iron pipe. A few little roots in there, too. Now we're clearly in cast iron pipe. We should probably just be coming up to the curb side. We're far enough across the street now that we're probably back onto the property underneath the driveway. And at this point here, going down to the bottom left of the screen, camera's obviously upside down, is the clean out that's apparent in the driveway. It's got a little steel door on it. This is 6 or 8 feet back from the curb line, so we're clearly back onto the property and coming back toward the house. We're probably back inside the structure now. Sewer line comes out the garage somewhere in the driveway and heads out toward the street. We're well back from the street now and coming, we're probably inside the garage underneath the slab. Probably a clean out somewhere that has a test tee in it. That's why that flat spot seems to be right there. Or it could be a backflow valve possibility, and the flapper has fallen down inside the pipe. If so, that needs to be addressed. But it could also be just it's sort of hard to tell from this angle, could also be just a test tee with a flat screw plug on the top. We'll have to look at that at a later time inside. Appears now we're into plastic pipe. There has been some remodel in this house, so I'm sure this is probably the newer plastic pipe. side door and the clean out in the sidewall. We're going to call this end of video.